Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Coding School. Whether you are beginner or an experienced developer, you are in the right place. Our goal is to make coding accessible, engaging and fun for everyone. And before starting the video, if you understand the concept, don't forget to give like to this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so that you never miss an update. Let's dive into the fascinating world of coding together at Coding School. So today we are going to study what is JVM, JDK and JRE. Let's see what is JVM. So JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine and it is an abstract machine. It is called a virtual machine because it doesn't physically exist. It is a specification that provides a runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. It can also run those programs which are written in other languages and compiled to Java bytecode. JVMs are available for many hardware and software platforms. JVM, JRE, and JDK are platform dependent because the configuration of each operating system is different from each other. However, Java is platform independent. There are three notions of JVM that are specification, implementation, and instance. The JVM performs the following main tasks: 1. Loads code, 2. Verifies code, 3. Executes code, and 4. Provides runtime environment. Next topic is what is JRE. So JRE is an acronym for Java Runtime Environment. It is also written as Java RTE. The Java Runtime Environment is a set of software tools which are used for developing Java applications. It is used to provide the runtime environment. It is the implementation of JVM. It physically exists. It contains set of libraries plus other files that JVM uses at runtime. The implementation of JVM is also actively released by the other companies besides Sun Microsystems. This is the simple representation of JVM, JRE and JDK, where JVM is part of JRE and JRE is made up of JVM plus set of libraries plus other files, and JDK is made up of JVM plus JRE. Now let's study the last topic of this video, that is JDK. So JDK is an acronym for Java Development Kit. The Java Development Kit is a software development environment which is used to develop Java applications and applets. It physically exists. It contains JRE plus development tools. JDK is an implementation of any one of the given below Java platforms released by Oracle Corporation, that is Standard Edition Java Platform, Enterprise Edition Java Platform, and Micro Edition Java Platform. The JDK contains a private Java virtual machine and a few other resources such as an interpreter like Java, a compiler like JavaC, an archiver like jar, a documentation generator like Java Doc, etc. to complete the development of Java application. So in this way we studied all three topics, that are JVM, JDK and JRE. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Let's meet with another interesting topic in upcoming videos.